Okay, don't forget your toy. Today is Charlie's 3rd birthday. We're going to do a birthday cake here momentarily. That clock is way off. It's not 9:29. It's 7:29. Charlie, don't bang. Come out this way. Charlie, no. Charlie, don't hurt your brother. Charlie, bring your bike back here, okay? Will you bring your bike back here for us? Bring your bike back. He's not quite as fast as his brother yet, but he's got the idea down. His brother's not going to be happy once he figures out what's happening either, on my dad. He's coming to get you.